science experiment. You have to let me talk. So, it's a beautiful day, everyone. So, Mom and me want to do this. So, we're going to put the food colorings in.
Okay, go ahead.
Say hi to Mommy first.
Hi, everybody.
So, everyone, this is my helper.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you have a parent helper with you.
That's very good advice.
Yes. Make sure you have a very good helper.
Are you going to squeeze or should I?
Make sure you click the red bell.
Mm-hmm. All right, so we have 2 cups of water. We're going to squeeze that. Squeeze it hard. Hard, hard, hard. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. There you go. Do a little bit more.
Wait, I didn't get in.
Yeah, I don't see it, girly. There we go.
Wow.
Okay, now do the blue.
I just dropped something in there.
Oh, I see that. Okay, no problem. I got it. Okay, now do the blue. Squeeze.
You got some on you, Mom.
That's all right. There's nothing new there. All right, just a little bit more. All right,
Wow.
that looks good. Okay, now we are going to break up one of these alka seltzer tablets in each. Okay, so
Hey,
we need a couple pieces. We gotta kind of break them.
do you drink this or not?
No, you do not drink the oil
That's
glass.
right.
Okay, ready? Now you're gonna pour a little bit of it in. Okay, a little bit of it into here until the water goes up
Look
to
at
that much. Yeah.
It looks like lava.
That's what it's supposed to
that
look
looks
like.
real lava.
All
Oops.
right, we put that
Can
in.
I try to touch it?
Just a minute. Or you can try to touch it, I guess.
Ooh, it's all oily.
Now we can keep adding the Alka-Seltzer.
Everyone, this is really oily. This was Mom's plan.
So the water and oil do not mix, and the oil doesn't change color because the food coloring is water soluble. The Alka-Seltzer reacts with the water to make bubbles of carbon dioxide. When the bubbles pop, the blobs of water fall back to the bottom of the glass. This lava science experiment is sure to wow your kids. So that's what we were reading. Now, Jackson, it's saying we need more of these.
Oh, more of these cucumbers?
The Alka-Seltzer tablets. It says we need to keep putting those in.
Well, those
Okay.
are really hot. Well, I can see them in the bottom of that.
Yeah, I see them too. I don't know. It might be the type of Alka-Seltzer we bought because it's totally mixing. We're not completely seeing the lava up at the top. Oh, okay. So see how it brings
Wait, Mom, this is floating.
Mm-hmm.
It's not going down to the bottom.
Oh, yeah. That one's floating on the oil, huh?
Yeah.
I just put a little more food coloring in.
Oh, did you just see that? That's an air bubble.
Yeah. Well, the bubbles come up to the top. There's the food coloring.
It's all the way down in the bottom.
Whoa! It's like the slime. Wow, that was cool.
It's like throw up.
Oh my gosh, so cool, Jackson.
It's like swallowing.
Yeah. All right, what do you say to everybody?
What? Are we going bye-bye?
Yeah, we're done.
We're done already?
Yeah, so what do you say?
Bye, guys. Make sure you click subscribe to our next video. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure you click the red bell, too.